Hello students, welcome to online study of Vidyabhushan English Primary School, Daisar East. Standard 3rd, Subject Computer. Chapter number 1, What is a computer? Introduction. In this class, we learn about what is a computer, features of a computer, and we learn in details about each part of a computer and uses of each part. Now, what is a computer? Everyone know about what is a computer and its parts. Computer is a man-made thing and it's electronic machine. It is used to write, draw, do sums, play games, listen to music, watch cartoon films and movies. Now let's study about features of a computer. Features means quality. Features of computer are: it works very fast, it does not make mistake, it make our work very easy, it can remember many things, it does not get tired even if it work for a long time, it can do big calculation very fast. Because computer have these features, that's why we are using computer in our day-to-day life in different fields. Now computer parts. A computer is made up of many different parts. They are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer and speakers. You can see the image of parts, basic parts of a computer. So now let's learn each part in detail. First is monitor. The monitor looks like a TV screen. It is also called VDU, Visual Display Unit, because it shows whatever we write using the keyboard. We can see cartoon films and movies on it. Now let's study about the keyboard. How to write in our notebook? We use pen or pencil to write in our notebook. Can we use them to write on a computer? No, we cannot use them to write on a computer. So how to write on a computer? We need a keyboard to write on a computer. The keyboard has many keys on it. Whatever we type using the keyboard will appear on the monitors. So now let's study about the keyboard. Now see this picture of the keyboard. There are the different color rectangles are there. So let's see. Keys surrounded by light green color rectangle are number keys. Keys surrounded by red color rectangle are letter keys. Keys surrounded by blue color rectangle is spacebar key. Key surrounded by dark green color rectangle is enter key. Key surrounded by light pink color rectangle is caps lock key and shift key. Key surrounded by purple color rectangle is cursor control key. Keys surrounded by brown color rectangle are backspace and delete keys. So each key has a specific use. So let's study about the function of each key. First is number key. Number key have a numbers on them, number from 0 to 9. You can type number by using these keys. Alphabet key or letter key have a letters on them. They are used to type words and sentences. Spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. We used to give space between two words. Enter key is used to move to the next line. Caps lock key used to type in capital letters. Shift key is also used to type in capital letters and also used to type the option given at the top of a particular key. Cursor key are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right of a line. Backspace key erases a character to the left of the cursor. Delete key erases a character to the right of the cursor. So we see each key has its own specific functions. The mouse. What is a mouse? A mouse is an important part of the computer. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. This is a left button, this is a right button and middle one is a scroll button. It is kept and moved on a mouse pad. The mouse is known as a pointing device. Now how to hold the mouse. Hold the mouse and rest your palm gently on it. Your thumb should be on one side and the ring finger and little finger should be on the other side of the mouse. You can see in the picture how to keep your palm on the mouse. Keep your index finger on the left mouse button and your middle finger on the right mouse button. These two fingers will help you in clicking on the mouse. You are now ready to move the mouse around the mouse pad. Now see this pictures. One, the smiley one is correct way to hold the mouse, and the sad one is the incorrect way hold the mouse. Mouse pointer. When we move the mouse, an arrow moves on the screen. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. You can see the picture. The when how we move the mouse, the arrow also move in the same directions. So what is a mouse pointer? The arrow moving on the screen is called mouse pointer. Now let's study about different action of the mouse. First is clicking. The action of pressing the left mouse button and quick leaving it is called clicking. It is used to select an item on the screen. Double click. Double click means to quickly press and leave the left mouse button 2 times. It is used to open a program. Dragging. When we press and hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse, it is called dragging. It is used to draw and color picture in paint. So we see the different actions of the mouse and their uses. Now CPU, Central Processing Unit. When we think, we use our brain. As you know, the brain is the most important part of the human body. It controls the working of the body. In the same way, computer has a brain too. The CPU, Processing Unit, is the single most important part of the computer. It runs the computer. The CPU is also known as the brain of computer. It controls the computer system. All the other parts of the computer are connected to this box. So how our brain is controls our body, in the same way CPU also controls the whole computer system. Without CPU, computer cannot work. The printer. What is a printer? Printer is known as an output device. A printer is used to print on a paper. It prints whatever we type using the keyboard. It also prints the pictures. Speakers. What is a speakers? Speakers are one of the most common output device used with computer system. Speakers are used to listen to music and audio. So now you know about computer, features of a computer, about each part of a computer and use of each part, like the monitor is called VDU, Visual Display Unit, and it displays the work done on a computer. The keyboard has many keys on it and each key has a specific use. The mouse is known as a pointing device and it has different action like clicking, double click and dragging. The CPU is the most important part of a computer and it is called the brain of the computer. A printer is used to print on a paper. Speakers are used to listen to sounds. Thank you.